Hey there, welcome! This video will walk you through payment management in your CommPeak user portal account. You will learn about payment-related data on your account dashboard and payment management options available in your account, such as payment history, invoices, recurring services, and open credit lines. Your CommPeak portal account offers various payment management options. If you want to know about tariffs for voice calls and SMS messages first, refer to the call and SMS pricing guide. Let's start with the dashboard. It shows you which subscription-based services you use and their monthly fees. Below it, you get notifications about the last top-up and your daily consumption rate. It lets you know about the low balance or modify the low balance threshold to prevent service interruption. The Dynamic Spending Overview section of the dashboard, by default, displays total and daily expenditure amounts for the last week. You can also select other options in the drop-down list. Click View Report to move to the Balance Overview graph. You can view the chart for today, last week, or month, or select another period and click Search. The Billing section offers more payment management options. Under Invoices, you can view the list of issued invoices. By default, CommPeak issues them every month. You can toggle the slider to get them weekly. You can see details of each invoice in the list: date, amount, period, and status. To view an invoice and save it as a PDF file, click View. Now let us proceed to the Payments tab to view the history of all your payments, or broken into several types. Select a date range manually or by using the presets and then click Search. You can do the same on the Top-ups, Deductions, Subscriptions, and Temporary Credits tab. Now let's see all payments for subscription-based services in March. Save a report as a CSV file by clicking the download icon in the top right corner of the table. The Recurring Payments tab lets you modify or cancel any automatic account top-up. Watch another video in the Help Center about adding credit to your account for more information about the automatic credit refill option. Click Edit Threshold if you want to change the recurring deposit sum, the threshold amount, and the number of maximum payments per day. You can also cancel the agreement. On the Recurring Services tab, you can see a list of additional services you get from CommPeak, for example, extra support services. The Open Credit Lines tab displays active credit lines that must be paid off. CommPeak offers such credits to reliable customers in the amount not exceeding the 2-day worth of their average spending. Thank you for watching, and good luck!